Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ki Hynñiewtrep ka Hynñiewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization Central Body haka Laiphauterek ujaliu arja rapnrio. Kila Pynkha bat Pinskem ya ka Shnat rekam ka bat Thamai ka balatip kum ka Hito Southeastern Border Area haka Shnong Dangar. Kani ka Shnat rekam bat Thamai ka don ya ka Jingthamu ban Shakri ban Yada bat ban Pynkhan ya ka Pynïatylli jong ki pa Hynñiewtrep ki basyong basa ha ki thain Khappud kata hadangar balad domba saurang laj sau bat ki weki Shnong ki ba marjan. Ya ki Hynñiewtrep jong kani ka Shnat rekam bat Thamai la Pinskem dau Presiden ka Seng Uba Don Bok Dakhar.
Yakari berkiparadok perasnam. Berngakloy ban ay tilot. Wat lada day. Penyat. Tingba sispa sya. Kajing stem. Nakabenta. Penyada yalagari. Klem kenu kajing binyam jing babi. Nalong ubakloy. Banyapeng.
Hito kayang lumakari. Hito kayang lumakari. Hito kayang lumakari.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.